What's the big news today?
I really don't know. I'm not even paying attention. I'm not awake yet.
No? One of those days? Hot.
All right now.
Sir, you really move a lot of papers. I'm serious.
I've done better.
You've had better days?
Yeah, much better.
Now, do you attribute that to the internet?
All around. The whole economy.
Oh, the whole economy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so once the economy took a dive, the newspaper.
Everything.
Okay.
Good morning. Yeah, and do. Yeah, and do. Yeah. You too. Yeah, and do. Yeah, and do.
But I have a question for you. As far as the overall advent of the internet, okay? Do you feel like the Inquirer or the Daily News is eventually going to go out of business?
No.
Never?
No, never. Never.
They have a loyal.
There's still people that want paper copy.
Okay.
People still want paper.
There's always going to be people wanting paper copy.
Yeah. They can go back and just flip through the pages. They don't have to log on and no.
Right.
Still people want paper.
You can't take your computer into the bathroom.
Well, you could if you got a laptop.
Right. No, you're right. You're right. You could. You could. You could.
I don't know if most people would.
All right. I appreciate you sharing all this with the YouTube audience.
No problem. No problem.
You know, and we talked yesterday a little bit, and this is like a continuation.
All right.
So, any final signing off kind of statements that you'd like to share with any?
I'm glad it's Friday. That's about it.
All right.
I'm glad it's Friday.
How do you keep such a positive attitude? Every time I see you, you're always positive and joyful.
Being negative doesn't get me anywhere.
All right.
I like to look at the glass as half full rather than half empty. That works me better.
All right. Well, thanks for sharing, and thanks for continuing to make me and everybody else that walks by you have that much brighter of a day.
All right.
All right. All right. I'll see you next time. All right.
Thank you. Here it is. Here it is.
Set online and pay. He's one of my students.
Hey, she's a wonderful teacher. If it wasn't for her, I would have never made it through that grueling class. She's very tough. Don't push her too far, please.
Are you taking pictures?
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you, Sarah, for helping me get through that course. So really, thank you. Wow, you're a tour guide too.
I know. I do everything.
Wow. Well, where are you guys all from? Penn?
He's a new student.
All right. Welcome. 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 Well, Go on to YouTube under Back to Harmony and you'll see yourselves here, alright? See you guys. Welcome to Philadelphia. Welcome to Philadelphia. See ya.